Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel Atoshi'sEdulore English for All, and I am Atoshi, your English language trainer. The idiom for the day is to open a can of worms, to create a complicated situation. To open a can of worms means when you want to correct a problem and you end up creating a lot of problems. So that situation can be described as opening a can of worms. Let's frame some sentences. The can of worms was wide open when the officers started investigating the case. So many complications and problems cropped up as the officers started looking into the case or investigating into the case. As soon as she was asked about her past, a can of worms opened up. Her past was full of turbulence, complications and problems. So as soon as she was asked to talk about her past, a can of worms opened up. I am not opening a can of worms by answering to your questions, because if I answer your questions, that will arise a lot of problems. The government opened a can of worms when it decided to pass the farm bill. And that's what we can see, so much of agitation across the country. Corruption is a serious problem, but no one is willing to open the can of worms. Next time when you try to solve a problem and end up with many problems, remember the idiom, open a can of worms. So with this, we come to the end of this video and you have got another idiom to frame a sentence. So quickly frame a sentence and write it below. And yes, I'll be again back with another video on another idiom. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.